Ang Bayanihan is Gawad Kalinga's response to providing food for the hungry.
Nakita ko dito sa GK, dito ko natutuhan yung dapat na isuporta ng LGU. Kasi nakita ko sa GK, nagkasama-sama ang iba-ibang klaseng tao, yung tinatawag namin ordinary people doing extraordinary things to respond to the need of the nation, the community.
As a company, our objective is one, to be a good neighbor wherever we operate, and two, to be part of nation building. The idea here is, instead of having a cooperative, it's really providing people with a patch of land which they can call their own, which they can actually cultivate. And therefore, they have responsibility over their own area.
We must find a way to work together and to own up to this responsibility that I am my brother's keeper. And that is the reason why the Department of Agriculture has gone into this Bayan-Anihan movement with GK. The assistance that we're giving our countrymen in terms of poverty alleviation is not just concentrated in production alone, but in logistics, processing, packaging, and marketing.
Ang pangunahing responsibilidad ng CLSU dito sa ating Bayan-Anihan program ay maisalin ang aming mga teknolohiya sa ating mga kababayan, lalong-lalo na dito sa ating mga beneficiaries, sa ating mga Gawad Kalinga sites.
And they eat 3 times a day, and the quality of food that they serve their children, napakataas because we're growing a lot of organic vegetables. So we're also contributing to their health.
Yung sa methods ng Bayan-Anihan, kaya sila nag-produce ng seeds na traditional kasi yung traditional seeds, pwede mo siyang pwede mo masustain. Magagamit mo yung mga na-produce nilang seeds para pantanim ulit. Hindi na nila kailangan bumili pa na another seeds para maitanim ulit.
It's very important that we have a multi-stakeholder approach here, so that you can create impact and so that it can be effective. Because otherwise, it will be small pieces of activities which in the end will not be so effective.
Nung na-involve na sila at nakikita nila na lumalaki na yung tanim, at lalo po ngayon na umaanim na sila, nailuluto na nila yung mga gulay na inaanin nila, lalo na yung kangkong po, masarap po yun. At makikita mo sila sa umaga po na isa-isa sila na pumupunta doon, inaasikaso nila yung garden.